Hello YouTube, recently I found the video here. The girl was singing Mockingbird with Eminem and I loved it. And so I decided to find Hailey's song here, but I didn't find a normal version. That's why I'm making my own. And I hope you like it or hate it, or whatever you like. Some days I sit staring out the window, watching this world pass me by. Sometimes I think there's nothing to live for. I almost break down and cry. Sometimes I think I'm crazy, oh so crazy. Why am I here? Am I just wasting my time? But then I see my baby, so lately I'm not crazy. It all makes sense when I look into her eyes. Sometimes it feels like the world's on my shoulders. Everyone's leaning on me. Sometimes it feels like the world's almost over, but then she comes back to me. Thank you for your attention.